Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. You know, in the world of heavy industry, whether it's the oil fields in the Eastern Province or the huge construction sites in Riyadh, it's often the smallest things, right? The parts you barely think about. Those are the ones that carry the biggest risks. Today, we're going to talk about one of those critical components and why your choice of supplier is maybe one of the most important decisions you can make for your operation's success. So, I want you to really think about this for a second. With all that incredible, advanced machinery and all the complex systems you manage, what's the one thing that can bring it all to a grinding halt? You know, a lot of the time, it's not the giant turbine or the complicated control system, it's the little component holding it all together. And that brings us right here to the wire rope. Now, this isn't just a cable, okay? This is a highly engineered piece of equipment. When you look at this slide, you see it mentions a bending test. That's not just some simple check. It's an absolutely critical process that tells you everything about the quality and reliability of that rope, a rope that might be lifting multi-ton loads right there on your side.
Okay, but what happens when that quality just isn't there? What's the real, on-the-ground consequence when one of these components fails? Because let me tell you, this is where the true cost shows up. And it's way, way bigger than the price on an invoice.
3 million riyals. And you know what? That's being conservative. That's the potential cost for just one single day of unscheduled downtime. One day! It doesn't matter if it's an idle crane on a construction site, a production halt at a factory in Jubail, or a critical delay on an offshore rig. The financial hit is immediate and it is massive. And here's why that number gets so big so fast. 14 days or more. That's how long you're typically waiting when a critical part fails and your supplier is somewhere overseas. We're talking more than 2 weeks of those multi-million riyal losses just piling up day after day. Yani, in the fast-paced world of the kingdom's industries, that kind of delay is simply not an option.
So, let's be really clear about this. Relying on a reactive, long-distance supply chain is a huge liability for your operation. The risk is just too high, and the potential cost is too great. A simple component failure can literally turn into a catastrophic financial event.
So what is the answer? Yani, how do you protect your operations from this massive risk? Well, the answer is to shift your thinking. You stop just buying a product and you start investing in a real local partnership. And this chart just lays out the difference perfectly. On one side, you've got your generic supplier. It's just a transaction, right? You get long lead times, and when something goes wrong, well, good luck getting local support. But then you look at what we do. We offer a true partnership. We're talking technical consultation, super fast delivery from our local stock, an in-kingdom team of engineers ready to go, and the absolute assurance of quality that comes with us being Aramco approved and ISO certified.
So let's break down what that really means for you. It's not just about getting top quality, genuine products at a great price, though of course we do that. That's just a start. It's about our kingdom-wide delivery network. It's about our full turnkey installation service. Our own engineers come to you. And it's about the lifetime local maintenance and repair support. See? It's a complete operational ecosystem we've built for you.
I really want to pause on this point because it's arguably the most important guarantee we can offer. Being an Aramco-approved supplier, that's not just a certificate we hang on the wall. It means our products, our processes, our people, everything has been rigorously vetted to meet the absolute highest standards for quality, safety, and reliability in the kingdom. For your critical operations, that means one thing: peace of mind.
So when we say full turnkey solution, what does that actually look like? Well, it means we're with you every single step of the way, making sure that the component you buy performs perfectly and keeps on performing for its entire life cycle.
Our partnership with you begins with a technical consultation, making sure you get the exact right product for your application. Then we deliver it to your site, anywhere in KSA. But we don't just drop off a box and leave. No way. Our expert engineers handle the on-site installation and commissioning. And from there, our partnership continues with lifetime preventative maintenance and support to keep your operations running smoothly.
And we can provide this level of support for one simple reason. We are right here. We are where you are. With our branches in Dammam, Jubail, Riyadh, and beyond, our teams are on the ground across the kingdom. When you need us, we're just a short drive away, not an ocean away. This local presence is our and your greatest asset. So the next time you look at a procurement decision, I encourage you, think beyond the initial price of a component. Think about the total cost of ownership and the massive price of failure. Think of it as an investment in your continuity, your safety, and your success.
This is really the key takeaway. The choice is yours. You can buy a simple product from a box mover,
Or you can invest in a complete operational solution from a proven, local, Aramco-approved partner who is truly committed to your success.
When you source your critical components from us at SSTC, you're not just getting a wire rope. You're getting our full backing. You're getting local engineering expertise, professional installation services, and long-term maintenance support, all right here in the Kingdom.
Shukran. The main thing to remember here is that a local partnership is crucial for protecting and enhancing the critical industrial operations that are building the future of Saudi Arabia. And our goal is simple. We want to help your operations succeed.
For all the procurement managers and engineers looking to build more resilience into your supply chain, we offer technical consultations to discuss your specific needs. All the information on how to connect with us is on the screen. Thank you.